This is a freezer, and inside the freezer you will find two compartments. This is a stove, and stove have two burners. This is an oven, and oven have different essential parts that is called rack. This one is blender, and blender have blades. This is a pot, and critical part of the pot is lid. This one is frying pan, and frying pan have handles. This one is a toaster, and toaster have two slots. This one is microwave, and microwave have doors. This one is dishwasher, and dishwasher have different parts like called tray. This one is a cutting board and knife. This one is mixer, and mixer is attached with the whisk. This one is grater, and grater attached with the handle. This one is called can opener, and can opener attached with blades. This one is sink, and sink attached with the faucet. This one is fridge, and fridge have different shelves. These are the measuring cups, and the place where we pour the liquid is called spout. This one is coffee maker, and coffee maker have different filters. This is a kettle, and kettle have spot. This is rolling pin, and where we handle the rolling is called handle. So much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and comment.